Okay, thank you, Archana. Thank you so much. And good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. In fact, almost 11:40. And namaste. Another day of lockdown, and it is my pleasure to be here with you. और आज का जो हमारा ये सेशन है, इसमें हम दो चीजें कवर करेंगे। एक तो हम कवर करेंगे शोल्डर्स। शोल्डर्स इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट है क्योंकि इसके बिना हम कोई काम नहीं कर सकते। अगर हमारे शोल्डर्स वीक हैं, मसल्स ऑफ द शोल्डर्स वीक हैं, तो हमें कुछ भी करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है क्योंकि ये हमारे आर्म्स और हाथ के साथ है। और दूसरी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे वो है स्पाइन एंड बैक। जो स्पाइन है ये हमारी बॉडी की सर्किट बोर्ड, जैसे लैपटॉप का सर्किट बोर्ड होता है, सब कुछ इसी से कनेक्टेड। और जब तक स्पाइन हमारी स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं होगी, हमारी बॉडी में कुछ ना कुछ इशू आता है। एवरीथिंग इज कनेक्टेड। So in the first half we will focus on our shoulders. In the second half we will focus on the back and the spine. And I'll also tell you कि हमारे ऐसे कौन से मूवमेंट्स हैं जो इनसे जुड़े हुए हैं, जो हम कभी भी कर सकते हैं। अपने आप भी हम एक बार हमें समझ आ जाए तो हम अपने आप ही समझ सकते हैं कि इस पोर्शन को या हमारी बैक को क्या मूवमेंट है। और जितना हम मूव करेंगे उतना हमारे लिए अच्छा है। मैंने पहले भी बोला है, मोशन इज लोशन। जितना मोशन हम करेंगे, जितना मूवमेंट करेंगे, उतना हमारी बॉडी में फ्लूइड, साइनोवियल फ्लूइड यूज हो। सो मूवमेंट इज एक्सट्रीमली इम्पोर्टेंट। सो बिफोर वी बिगिन विद द एक्सरसाइजेस, आप कुर्सी में अगर बैठे हुए हैं तो एकदम सीधे बैठ जाइए। रीढ़ की हड्डी को एकदम सीधे रखिए, कीप योर स्पाइन एब्सोल्युटली स्ट्रेट, और अपने दोनों हाथों को अपने थाइस के ऊपर रखें। और अब हम एक सांस लेंगे और फिर बहुत जोर से सांस को छोड़ेंगे। सो वी विल डू दिस 4 टाइम्स। एक गहरी सांस और फिर मुंह से बहुत जोर से छोड़ेंगे। एक बार मैं आपको करके दिखाती हूँ। इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल। So let's do it together. Inhale and exhale through the mouth. फिर से inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. एक बार last time, inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. जो भी सुबह हमने किया है और जो आगे हम सोच रहे हैं करने का, उनको सबको छोड़ दीजिए। सिर्फ इस मूवमेंट में, इस क्षण, इस घड़ी, इस अगले आधे घंटे में हम क्या करने वाले, बस उसी पे अपना फोकस। सब कुछ भूल जाइए, कोई वरी नहीं, कोई सोचना नहीं। बस अपने आप को एकदम ब्रिंग योरसेल्फ टू द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट। और अपने आप कुछ गहरी सी सांसें लें, छोड़े अपने आप। इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल, आंखें बंद। And now gently bring your hands, palms together in Namaste position और अंजलि मुद्रा। इसको अंजलि मुद्रा भी कहते हैं। और जो दोनों थंब होते हैं, इसको चेस्ट की जो बोन है, स्टर्नम, उस पे प्रेस कीजिए। And we will chant Om 3 times. Om, Om, Om. Shanti, Shanti. So let's begin. So मैंने पहले बोला कि शोल्डर्स हमारी आर्म से कनेक्ट, और इस आर्म और हाथ के साथ हम सब कुछ। और जब हमारे शोल्डर्स में दर्द होता है तो हमारी आधी चीजें जो हम करते हैं वो नहीं करते। इसलिए we will do 8 exercises and I will also be sharing a small write up about each, जो I'll give it to Archana and Archana will circulate to everyone, ताकि आपको आसानी हो ये याद रखने में। आप वीडियो भी देख सकते हैं और जो टेक्स्ट है उसको भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं। तो लेट्स बिगिन। सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारा श्रग एंड रिलीज। थोड़ा सा आगे आ जाइए अपनी कुर्सी पे। एंड श्रग मतलब दोनों शोल्डर्स को हमको ऊपर ले जाना है ऐसे और छोड़ना है। सो वी विल डू इट 8 टाइम्स और सांस लेते रहना है। सो इनहेल, टेक योर शोल्डर्स अप, रिलीज। 2, release. 3, shoulder Shoulders up towards your ears, release. 4, release. 5, release. 6, release. 7, shoulders up, release. And 8, shoulders up and release. Take a couple of breaths. We will repeat this again. Shrug your shoulders as you inhale and release them as you exhale. We will again do it so that we get practice. So we will do again 8 times. Inhale, shoulders up and down. 2, exhale down. 3 and down. 4 and down. 5 and down. उतना ही कीजिए जितना आप कर सकते हैं. And down. 7 and down. 8 and down. Now just press your shoulders, take it so that we look after and give some loving care to our shoulders. And now we will go to the next exercise arm and wrist rotation. So ये हमारी arms हैं, आप देख पा रहे हैं एकदम straight. Left arm towards the left, right towards the right, palms नीचे की तरफ. और अब हमें क्या ऐसे नहीं रखना है, मतलब बेंट नहीं होनी चाहिए हमारी आर्म्स, स्ट्रेट. एंड नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल रोटेट. सो अभी हमारे पाम्स नीचे हैं, इनको हम पीछे की तरफ ले जाएंगे, पीछे की दीवार या जो भी आपका पीछे का साइड है, फिर नीचे, फिर सामने और फिर ऊपर. फिर उसके बाद सामने की तरफ पाम्स, नीचे की तरफ और पीछे. यू कैन फील ये वाली मसल्स जो है हमारे चारों तरफ आर्म्स की मसल्स करेंगी. नाउ वी विल डू इट 6 टाइम्स. सो palms down, palms back, palms down, palms in the front, palms over. Palms front, palms down, palms back. Palms down, palms front, palms up. Simple exercise but very effective. Palms in the front, palms facing the floor, palms facing the back. Once again, palms facing the floor, palms facing the front wall, palms facing the ceiling. Last time, palms in front, palms down, palms back, and relax. Can you feel it? यहाँ पे पूरा आपको पता चलेगा कि हमने कोई एक्सरसाइज किया. Now just press your muscles of the upper arm and relax. Take a couple of deep breaths, and now we will do something known as life force. Once again, we take our arms out, and then we twist. Right arm सामने, left arm पीछे. Come to center. Left arm सामने, right arm पीछे. So we are twisting. ये भी एक shoulders का movement है. Right arm in front, left arm back. 4 and back. 5 and back. 6 and back. 7 and back. 8 and back. And relax. कुछ लग रहा है आपको यहाँ पर? Can you feel that these muscles are working? Muscles of the shoulders and the arms. We will do it once more. We will do to a count of 4, just so that we get some practice. So arms out, right arm twist, center, left arm twist, center, right arm twist, center, left arm twist, and center, and relax. Just shake out hands, your palms and wrists. And now we will do 2 very important strokes, which are also the range of motion of our shoulders. हमारे shoulders पीछे की तरफ भी जाने चाहिए और आगे की तरफ भी आने चाहिए. बहुत important है, पीछे और आगे. इसके बेस्ट एक्सरसाइज है स्विमिंग एक्सरसाइज. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, हमारे पाम्स ऊपर है और हम शोल्डर को ऊपर ले जाके फिर पीछे ले जाए. We will do it 8 times. Just watch me once. Shoulders up and back. Now let's do it together. Up and back. 2 and back. 3 and back. Palms हमारे ऊपर है. 4 and back. 5 and back, 6 and back, 7 and back, 8 and back. Listen to your body. अगर दर्द हो रही है, जहां पे हो रही है वहां रुक जाइए और दोबारा से स्टार्ट कीजिए. Now we will again practice this for a count of 4. Palms up, elbows close to your waist. Now take your shoulders up and back, up and back, 3 and back, and back. Can you feel shoulders में यहाँ पीछे? And now we will do the other side. Palms down. शोल्डर्स ऊपर जाएंगे बट आप फॉरवर्ड आएंगे जैसे हम लोग करते हैं. सो शोल्डर्स अप एंड फॉरवर्ड, shoulders up and forward, shoulders up and forward, shoulders back, up, forward, shoulders back, up, forward. 6, shoulders back, up, forward, shoulders back, up and forward. Let's do it 4 more times. Keep your palms like this. Palms आपके फ्लोर की तरफ है और आर्म्स को पीछे ऊपर ले जाइए और सामने. 2 and down, 3 and down, 4 and down. Can you feel it? मुझे भी लग रहा है कि मेरी आर्म्स कुछ काम कर रही हैं, थोड़ी सी उसकी एक्सरसाइज हो रही है. And now we will do.
One sec, ma'am. Can I ask you?
Yes.
Inhale, exhale का क्या पोजीशन होगी मैम एक्सरसाइज के समय? It will be nice if you can tell us.
जब आप ऊपर जाते हो तो आप इनहेल करोगे और जब नीचे आते हैं तो एक्सहेल होता है. ये जनरली प्रिंसिपल है in all the exercises. So when we begin, we inhale and when we come down, we exhale. So inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Is that clear?
Thank you, ma'am. I think it's the same for all the exercises.
All exercise, because when we begin, जब हम करते हैं तो we inhale and whenever we come down we exhale. This is the normal principle for all exercise.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And now we come to a very nice exercise which opens the front of the chest. It's known as open heart hugs. Hugs तो हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा इंडिया में तो बहुत common है. We love to give hugs to everybody. So we also need to hug ourselves. We need to love ourselves first of all. So let's bring our arms like this. So this part is at right angles to the floor. It's 90 degrees. And now we will just slightly go back and come forward and give yourself a hug. Once again, go back, inhale and exhale. Come back, inhale and exhale. Give yourself a nice hug, round your shoulders, round your spine and come back. Once again, inhale and exhale. Give yourself a nice hug, opening the chest, inhale and exhale. So we are exercising the back as well as the front. So everything is connected in our body. So once again, 6th time, inhale and exhale. Open up, inhale and exhale. Once more, inhale and exhale. And last time, inhale and exhale. Back to center, straighten your back and spine and just take a couple of deep breaths. And now open your eyes if you have closed them. Otherwise, very important exercises मैं आपको ऐसे दिखाती हूँ कि ये जो हमारे shoulders के पीछे की मसल है ये बिल्कुल एक्सरसाइज नहीं होती और यहाँ पे आप देखते होगे बहुत सारा फ्लैश आ जाता है. एक्स्ट्रा फैट कलेक्ट्स ऑन आवर बैक बिहाइंड द शोल्डर्स. तो इसके लिए बहुत अच्छी एक्सरसाइज है दैट वी ब्रिंग आवर आर्म्स लाइक दिस. इसमें हमारी एल्बोज थोड़ी सी बेंड and what we do is that we will push our elbows back. ठीक है, मूव नहीं करना जैसे सामने और फिर पीछे. and you will feel your two shoulder के जो muscles हैं पीछे की ये ऐसे close आ रही हैं. So this is very important exercise for the back. So we will bring our arms, our palms are close to our head. आप देख रहे हो बिल्कुल मेरे सिर के पास मेरे दोनों palms हैं. Palms are facing forward and my elbows are bent close to my body. ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे. And now I will press them back and down. So we'll start. We'll do it 8 times. Inhale and exhale and press them back. Inhale and exhale. Once again, inhale and exhale. Can you feel your muscles of the back? Inhale and exhale. Take your elbows back. Inhale and exhale. 6, 7, and 8. Bring your palms down. Just rotate the shoulders a little bit. We will do it one more time because this is a very neglected part. इस पार्ट को हम बिल्कुल एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर पाते और यहाँ पे बहुत सारा फ्लैश कलेक्ट हो जाता है बैक. तो इसको स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए दिस इज अ वेरी गुड एक्सरसाइज. तो हमारी एल्बोज थोड़ी बेंट है, पाम्स हमारे हेड सिर के बिल्कुल दोनों बाजू पे हैं. और अब हम क्या करेंगे, अपनी जो एल्बोज हैं इनको पीछे की तरफ पुश करेंगे और फिर सामने. So let's try it again. We'll do it again 4 times. So inhale and exhale. Push your elbows back. Trying to bring both your back muscles together. Once again, inhale and up. Inhale and back. And one last time, inhale and back. And now just hug your shoulders. Just press your shoulders, rub your upper arms and just hug them and just massage as much as you can. अगर आप कुछ और नहीं कर रहे तो अगर आप बैठे बैठे देख रहे हो, just rub your arms and your thighs, your shoulders, your back, ऐसे अपने हाथ से. Nothing like self care. और आजकल तो आपको पता है कोई मसाज वाला नहीं आ सकता है. We cannot go to the parlor. So this is a very good time to look after ourselves. So बस कुछ नहीं, थोड़ा सा अपना हाथ दोनों ऐसे रखिए and then just rub each and every part of your. Just rub it because this improves the circulation and also produces heat and energy. So अपनी body को अच्छी तरह मसाज करते हैं जैसे बैठ. Do it for 5 minutes every. And रात को सोने से पहले always massage your feet. हमारे पैर इतने इम्पोर्टेंट हैं लेकिन हम इनको हमेशा भूल जाते हैं. पूरा दिन हम इनके ऊपर खड़े रहते हैं या इसी के ऊपर हमारी. So try and incorporate 5 minutes of self massage. आयुर्वेदा में तो ये बहुत ही एक इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है. So इसको अभ्यंगा बोलते हैं और self massage. So थोड़ा सा just massage your body whenever you have. So this was 8 exercises for the shoulders. And shoulders are very important. अब हम लोगों के पास बहुत हेल्प है तो हम shoulders के इतना काम नहीं करते हैं, मूवमेंट कम हो जाता है, फिर हम ना अपने हाथ ऊपर ले जा पाते हैं ना साइड में ले जा पाते हैं. So please try and do at least 4 or 5 exercises for the shoulders. And now we come to the most important part of our body, our spine and our. मैंने जैसे पहले बोला that it is like a circuit board. पूरी बॉडी की नर्व्स इस स्पाइनल कॉलम के अंदर जुड़ी हुई हैं. So we need to really work and support our. Now why is the spine important? इसके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें हैं. 3 चीजें. अगर स्पाइन स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है हम नहीं कर पाते और ये आप सबको पता होगा. एक, हम बेंड नहीं कर सकते. हमने अगर हम ऐसे नहीं कर पाएंगे क्योंकि अगर हमारी स्पाइन. फिर आप ट्विस्ट नहीं कर सकते. ट्विस्टिंग becomes very impossible. And you cannot reach. We cannot ऐसे नहीं कर सकते. आप इस चीज को नहीं पकड़ सकते. आप ऊपर नहीं अपना हाथ ले जा सकते. So 3 मूवमेंट्स हमारी स्पाइन के साथ जुड़े हैं. बेंडिंग, ट्विस्टिंग एंड रीचिंग. स्पाइन में जो हमारी नेचुरल हमारे मूवमेंट्स हैं वो 5 मूवमेंट्स. तो आप आज ये सेशन के बाद आप खुद सोचना कि क्या आप एवरीडे ये 5 मूवमेंट्स अपनी स्पाइन को देते हैं. अगर आप नहीं देते हो that means that you will need to give those movements to the spine. So one is forward. तो forward bend, ये तो ये हो गया स्पाइन के लिए बहुत. दूसरा backward. Okay. Third is sideways. We should be able to do sideways. Fourth is twist. We should be able to twist. And finally, we should be able to extend our arms. ये ऐसे करना. So 5 movements. I will give you the text, but let me repeat it. Forward bend, backward bend, side bend or lateral bends to both the side, axial extensions जो ऐसे मतलब हाथ हम कर सकें, और finally twist. We should incorporate all these 5 movements for the health of our spine. नहीं तो eventually क्या होगा, या तो this energy cannot or this prana cannot move through the spine. So it is very important to keep the spine. So now I will come to the next exercise. You can buy these blocks. अभी तो ये essential item नहीं है. These are very reasonable. You can buy this on Amazon. They are very reasonable. 100-200 रुपए की एक ब्लॉक आ जाती है. But it's a very good thing because बहुत सहारा मिलता है इससे to the spine. And now we will do climbing rope. ये exercise PT में भी होती है और service में, defense services में. So climbing rope, we place both our जिसको मुट्ठी बोलते हैं, दोनों मुट्ठियों को हम ऐसे रखेंगे and we will try and pull the rope. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Bring your hands down. Once again, place both your palms like this. If you can raise them, it's fine. And now pull the rope. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now shake out your hands and your wrists. And now we do something known as arm and leg extension. So sit comfortably. एकदम कुर्सी के पीछे के साथ अपनी पीठ लगा लीजिए. And we will one left hand up, right leg up. Can you see me clearly? Opposite hands and legs. Then right hand, left. So we will do it 10 times. So this is also body-mind coordination. And we are trying to bring the left and the right side of the body. Because it is very important to bring both of them together, the left side and the right side. So let's begin. Right hand, left leg. Left leg, right. So this is how it goes. Left, right, left, right, left arm, right arm, left arm, right arm, left arm, right. Bring it down. We'll do it another 6 times because this also increases the heart rate and also allows more oxygen to go into because we are breathing faster. And so now we will do it once again. So remember, right arm jayegi, to left leg upar aayega. Okay? So let's begin. Right arm, left leg. Left arm, right leg. Right hand, left leg. Left arm, right leg. Right and left. Right and left. And come. And now we will march in place. Let's try and increase our heart rate. So बैठे बैठे आपको marching करनी है. Hold the sides of the chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll do it again another 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now take a deep breath and exhale. Once again, inhale and exhale. Now we come to the 5th exercise, L for lock. इसमें क्या है? दोनों हाथ और दोनों टांगे 90 degrees. So let me show you once. And down. 2 and down. 3 and down. जितनी भी आपकी आर्म्स ऊपर जाती हैं, चाहे इतनी जाती हैं, इतनी जाती है, कोई बात नहीं, और दोनों हाथों को, उसको टांगों को आपको ऊपर लाना है, with the feet, sole of the foot facing the front wall. So let's do it 8 times. आपको जितना लगता है कंफर्टेबल आप उतना कीजिए. So this is known as L for love. ये भी आप टीवी देखते देखते कर सकते हैं. So 1 and down, 2 and down, 3 and down, 4 and down, 5 and down, 6 and down, 7 and down, 8 and down, 9 and down. Once again, एक गहरी सांस लीजिए, inhale and exhale. And now we come to the 6th exercise. मैंने बोला था स्पाइन में जो साइड बेंड्स है, आगे है, फिर उसको ऐसे रोटेट करना और पीछे, चक्की जैसे पीसते थे ना, उसी तरह से इसको बोलते हैं स्टरिंग द पॉट, which is चक्की चलाना. So what we do, थोड़ी सी अपनी पैरों को जितनी कुर्सी की विड्थ है उतनी डिस्टेंस पे ले आइए. जस्ट स्प्रेड दिस योर थाइस एंड योर नीज, और दोनों हाथों को अपनी थाइस के ऊपर या नीज के ऊपर साइडली रखें. अब हमने क्या करना है, सांस लेते रहना है. सो आई जस्ट शो यू. इनहेल, देन वी टेक आवर राइट शोल्डर टू आवर लेफ्ट नी, और फिर सामने, एंड देन लेफ्ट नी, लेफ्ट शोल्डर टू राइट एंड बैक. फिर से राइट शोल्डर टू लेफ्ट नी, फॉरवर्ड, लेफ्ट शोल्डर टू राइट नी, बैक and center. I'll do it one more time. Right shoulder to left knee, then forward, then left shoulder to right knee, back. इससे क्या हो रहा है, हमारी जो स्पाइन है, it is getting lubricated because it is moving like this. It's an excellent exercise for the spine. Stirring the pot या चक्की चलाना. So let's begin. Please be careful. Don't bend too much if you have any eye issues, or if you have a cold, or also if you feel dizzy. Be very careful. Just keep your body like this with your face facing the front wall. फिर आप नीचे मत देखना, because that can cause spells of giddiness. So be very careful. So keep both your palms on your knees, and now very gently, right shoulder to left knee, forward, back and up. I am doing slightly modified version because I don't want to be. So I'm looking at you all instead of looking down and back. Right shoulder, left knee. This massages all the abdominal parts, the stomach, the liver, the kidneys, pancreas, because we are massaging the area of the abdomen. Once again, inhale, down and up. Inhale, down and up. 4, down and up. 5, down and up. 6, down and up. 7, down and up. And down. And last time. And now, just because we've been doing a forward bend, just take both your palms, place it on your waist at the back, and gently look up. This is it's a pose which we do after a forward bend. And come back and relax. एक तो गहरी सांस लीजिए. Inhale and exhale. Once more. Inhale and exhale. And now we have done forward, we have done backward, we have done even extension. Now we will do a side bend or a lateral extension. So for this we will do a side bend, which is just hold the left side of the chair, take your right arm up and gently bend to the left and come back. left arm up, bend to the right. And come back. Right arm up, bend to the left. And come back. We are exercising our spine, which is very important. And down. Right arm up, bend to the left. And down, 6. Left hand up, bend to the right. And down, 7. Right hand up, bend to the left. And down. Left arm up, bend to the right. And down. Now just once again massage your arms because we have done quite a few exercises with our arms. And now we will do a twist because we have to give this exercise also to the spine. For the twist, what we do is we bring our arms up like this. This is known as a cactus pose, and we gently bring twist to the, then come back to center, twist to the right. Come back to center, inhale. To the right. And we are twisting the spine. Spine loves twists. And then to the right. Center. Center. And last time. And now just sit. Take a couple of deep breaths. Inhale. And exhale. Once again, inhale. And exhale. So we have done 8 exercises for our shoulders. We have done 8 exercises for our spine. And इसमें से आप 4 एक दिन कीजिए, 4 एक दिन कीजिए, फिर shoulders में से भी आप 4 एक दिन, 4 अगले दिन. Try and mix and match so that it becomes interesting. जरूरी नहीं है इसी sequence में, but after every pose you must come into a neutral pose. थोड़ा सा break देना चाहिए just for a few seconds so that the spine comes back to neutral. And then do the next exercise. Now today we will also do 4 chair asanas. Means I have modified, or this is how chair yoga is done. We will do Vrikasana or tree pose. We will do Ardha Matsyendrasana asana, or which is the spinal twist. We will do Trikonasana, which is the triangle pose. And the 4th one we do downward dog or Adho Mukha Svanasana. These are very basic asanas in every yoga routine. और ये सब योगा टीचर्स या जो भी योगा करते हैं सबको ये सब asanas आते हैं. These are the basic. But we are going to do it with the help of a chair. So first we will do the tree pose and the Adho Mukha Svanasana. First we will do the Ardha Matsyendrasana or the half spinal twist or the half fish pose. So इसमें क्या करना है? You have to sit sideways. Right. Sit straight, again spine is straight. Now gently take your, I'm sitting on the, I turn to the left side of the chair. So I'm taking my right hand, placing it on the back of the chair, and then taking my left hand and placing it on the other side and gently twisting. And you can come back. I'll do it one more time. I'm sitting sideways. I first take my right hand, place it on this side of the chair. And then I take my right hand and place it on this side. And gently look back over your left shoulder. Jitna bhi aap twist kar sakte. Once again, the spine loves any kind of twist. And gently come back to center. Now we do it. Right? Asanas are done only once for each side of the body, or once if it is a central pose. Once again, I sit and I take a deep breath. I first take my left hand, place it on the left side of the chair, the right side of the chair. Then I take my other hand, place it on the left side, and I gently twist and I look over my right shoulder. Take a couple of breaths, just stay there. जितना भी twist होता है, please be very careful and come back. If you cannot do this, if you have problems in your spine, then all you can do is bring your right hand to your left knee and just hold your chair with your left hand and just gently look this side. And come back. And now on the other side, my left hand on my right knee, I hold the chair with my right hand and I gently keep breathing. This is the Ardha Matsyendrasana or the half spine twist. And come back. Close your eyes. Take a couple of deep breaths. So this was the half spinal twist, and now we come to Trikonasana. So slightly chairs में थोड़ा सा आगे आ जाओ, थोड़ी space होनी चाहिए हमारी कुर्सी के आगे. And now what we do is we stretch our left leg forward. थोड़ा सा मैंने उसको सीधा रखा है. And then I take both my hands and I go down towards my foot, my left foot, and come back. Inhale and exhale. Once more, both my palms are sliding on my left leg. And I'm going down as much as possible. If you can hold your calf. या आप ankle पर जा सकते हैं तो ankle को पकड़िए. अगर आप toes को पकड़ सकते हैं toes को. And come back. Let's do it one more time. Inhale and go down. And exhale. And now what you do is hold your leg with your right hand. Hold your left leg with your right hand. And gently bring your left arm up. अगर आप यहाँ ला सकते हो पहले देख लो तो ठीक है, नहीं तो keep it on your back. And gently look towards the left side. Now let's do it together. So I'm sitting slightly थोड़ा सा आगे होके, but my buttocks are firmly on the chair. The balance of the chair should not get upset. And now what I do is I slightly bring my left leg in front. I take both my palms, inhale and go down. Come up and go down. Come up and go down. And now hold your leg with your right hand and bring your left arm up. If you can't, you can even keep your hand on your left shoulder or on your back. And gently look to the side. Trikonasana or the triangle. The modified asana for the chair. Gently bring your leg back to your foot and come. Come to neutral position, spine straight. Take a deep breath and we'll repeat it on the other side. Now this time, right leg in front, both your palms, inhale, go down and come up. 2, go down and come up. 3, go down and up. And now 4th time, go down. Hold the right leg with your and bring your right arm up. इतनी आती है ये भी ठीक है. यहाँ भी रख सकते हो, back पे भी रख सकते हो. अगर सीधी होती है, then you can just take your arm up and look up at your right hand. Listen to your body. Do whatever you can do. अगर आप इतना ही रख सकते हो तो भी ठीक है. This gives a very nice stretch to the spine. And gently bring your arm down and come. And now just sit quietly. Take a deep breath, close your eyes. Feel the effects of the asana. And now open your eyes. The last 2 asanas we will do the Vrikasana or the tree pose. So with the help of a chair. So what I do is I place my chair legs on my left side. And then I gently put all my weight on my left. I gently turn my right hip and bring my right heel on my left hand. Can you see me clearly? I'm holding to the chair. I'm not leaving the chair. And now inhale and bring your right hand to your heart center, or if you can, take it up. Full, slightly bent elbow. So just listen to the instructions and we'll do it together. So what I did was I placed the chair on my left side. I am holding it with my left hand. All my weight is on my left hip. And I gently turn my right hip and place my right heel on my left. Those who have been doing yoga can bring it here, bring their foot on their shin, or they can place it on their thigh. Don't leave the chair. So just do it with one hand. I don't want anybody to fall. So inhale. Either you bring your hand at your heart center or you take it up. And gently bring your palm just above your head and just stay there. Vrikasana. Close your eyes. Hold on to the chair. If you can close your eyes, it's okay. But if you are having a problem with your balance, please don't. And try and imagine कि पेड़ इस दुनिया की सबसे मुझे मेरा मानना है सबसे खूबसूरत चीज है. Without trees, there is no life, and I think this COVID and all this problem that we are facing has made us realize. Bring your arm down and bring your right foot back and just stay. Now you can close your eyes. Just imagine how beautiful a tree is. Itna kuch deta hai ek ped, and all it asks for is that it should not be cut. And breathe. Now we repeat it on the other side. अगर आप कुर्सी नहीं उठा सकते तो all you have to do is just turn. बस कुर्सी को उठा के रखना also becomes a problem. Otherwise, bring your chair on the right side. Hold it with your right hand. All your weight comes on your right leg. And rotate your left hip and place your left heel on your right hand. Now gently inhale, bring your palm or your left hand to your heart center, or if you're feeling okay and you're not feeling imbalanced, just take your arm and gently bend it. The tree pose or the Vrikasana. Inhale and exhale a couple of times. And gently exhale and bring your arm down. Left leg comes back. Just shake out your. And now the last asana, or the downward facing dog, or the Adho Mukha Svanasana. It's a very, very beautiful asana. Makes you really feel comfortable, and on the chair, it's very easy to do. All you need to do, come close to the chair. First, just watch me. Then walk your steps back. थोड़े थोड़े अपने पैर को पीछे लेके जाओ. कुर्सी को पकड़े हुए हैं हम लोग. जितना भी आप मैक्सिमम जा सकते हो उतना पीछे जाओ. Inhale and then keep holding the back of the chair. Gives a lot of relaxation to the back. That's why it's known as downward facing dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. And we'll do it one more time. Stand close to the chair. Hold the chair with both your arms. And now go back. जितनी भी आपकी arm stretch होती है उतना पीछे जाइए. And then gently pushing your hips back. Just bring your head between your arms. Keep breathing. The whole upper body is being stretched. And now gently 1, 4. Now, just sit on your chair. Close your eyes, palms on your lap, facing up. You can keep them on your thighs. And today, let's be grateful for whatever we have. Most of us are in our homes and the comfort of our homes. And let's pray for all those people. Let's think of all those people who are at the front lines, our doctors, our health workers, our nurses, police personnel, and the daily challenges they are facing. Keep breathing. Close your eyes. And just think of everyone. Think of this practice. Think of our bodies and how we can look after them. Now gently bring your hands in Anjali Mudra. And we pray for the world. It's very, very important to pray these days for the world and for whatever we are going through. And may we find a solution to this problem soon. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukkha bhave. May all beings be happy. May all beings be free of disease. May all beings see what is good and auspicious, and may no one suffer. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this session. We will be covering different body parts in the next few sessions also. And you can ask your questions, and I will also be sharing a write-up about each exercise and its benefits and also contraindications. Means किसको वो exercise नहीं करनी चाहिए, एक छोटा सा write-up उसके साथ include करूँगी. So thank you for your time, and thanks Archana for giving me this opportunity.
Yeah, thanks Jyoti. Just any quick questions if anybody has. I know we have run out of time today.
I have some important questions, although basic and small questions.
Yeah.
But I think it will be helpful to all of us.
Yeah.
Number one is, ma'am, I am already suffering with lower back ache. So, are there any forward bending back exercises that I should avoid? Second is, I have breathlessness. So, ma'am has taught a very good exercise in the beginning that we can exhale loudly, which I want to. So, is that permissible during these exercises? Number three, if I'm sitting on a bed, a couple of exercises can be done. So, it will be nice if ma'am can let me know.
Sure. So, Jyoti, did you get the question?
Yeah, what was the first question? It was about...
I'll repeat one at a time, ma'am. I have a huge lower back problem and shoulder ache and everything. So do I need to avoid some forward bending back exercises which you have shown, like the 90-degree or the Trikon asana? I'm not able to recollect the name.
Yeah. No, see, asanas one should avoid. First, the movements you can do, the easy movements. So you can, for example, if you have the back pain, the cat and cow is very beneficial. Cat and cow will not harm you at all. And the other exercises, the arm pulling, the axial extensions, anything which is taking our arms up, because that will give us a little bit of the spine, a little bit of space, and also ease. The other thing which I couldn't cover today, maybe we can do it in a later classes, that people who have backache, a very good exercise for them is that they should try and bring both their hands together. If they can do this, it is fine. Otherwise, they can just hold their wrists. It gives a lot of relief to the spine. Or they can hold their elbows, whatever is possible. Or place both your palms on your, at the junction of your waist and hips, with your fingers facing the floor. These are 4 very simple exercises, but you see that they give you a lot of relief for lower back. And so these are some things. But cat and cow you can do any axial extension where you have to lift your arms. But are you suffering from some, has the doctor given you any advice about this?
Actually, it was my bad posture for since my childhood, and I also had a fracture 2 years back. Although it has healed, but my muscles have gone very weak. So the exercises you have shown just now, ma'am, the one that you showed immediately, can we sit and do it on the bed? The hands at the back.
See, the idea is when we sit on the bed is soft. So, we tend to sort of go down and our spine becomes rounded. So, if we could put a backrest or something and ensure that we are sitting straight up like this, then you can do it anywhere. But ideally, a chair, with a hard, this thing back and a hard seat are better for exercising. Because tendency is bed पे जैसे ही बैठते हैं ना, which sort of our shoulders
Very
also and spine also round. So try and get a wooden chair like this. This is actually a perfect chair for meditation for meditators. I meditate, so इसमें क्या होता है कि back भी सीधी रहती है and this is also absolutely straight. And the height of the chair is also very important. So we can cover this later, but what I'm saying is that try and sit on a chair and try and invest in this also. ये जो block है. This
What do we call it?
It's a yoga block.
Okay. I can't sit on a chair, ma'am. It's lot very painful in the back. I always have to sit on the bed with the pillows behind.
Yeah. Also another thing, I know we are going a little over this thing.
Yeah.
Another thing is, हमारी जो ये legs हैं ना, these should be 90 degrees to the floor. They should be parallel to the floor, our thighs. So it depends. I don't know how tall you are, but generally what we do is, if our legs are, bending like this, like our knees are pointing towards the floor, we try and keep a cushion or a block under our feet so that my thighs become parallel to the floor. If they are this, like my knees are coming towards my stomach, what we do is we take a cushion and we place it on the chair. So this is also very important for people with back problems. Try and keep our thighs parallel to the floor. So you will have to adjust and juggle depending on your height and the height of the furniture. But try and keep your thighs, and you'll see that it gives you a lot of.
Can I write to you on your personal window so that I don't take much time?
Okay, so
please.
if you have any questions, I would suggest that just send it to us at this email ID which I'm typing out here, contact@samvednacare.com, and we will have Jyoti answer these questions in the next session. We are really
So nice.
running out of
So nice.
Yeah.
Can I exhale loudly from the mouth? This is one thing I'd ask her to answer right now. Like while exhaling, can I exhale through mouth open with a noise? That gives me relief.
See, this is a very normal thing. This is a relaxation breath, that when it gives your body a release. So you're inhaling through the nose and then you exhale through the mouth. So you are releasing all the tension and the toxins, so that there can be no harm for anyone.
During all the exercises?
No. Especially in this prana, this is like a breathing exercise. So this is a relaxation exercise, but in asanas and in pranayama and other exercises, we have to inhale and exhale through the nostrils only. We don't exhale through the mouth.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you, Jyoti. Sorry, running late.
Bye.
And see you. So next session is on Thursday. The link will be the same, and we look forward to seeing you and seeing you other classes. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye.